Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to tell you how to fix too many friends on Snapchat. So as you know, this is very disturbing. So what you need to do, first of all, you have to click on Snapchat and go to app info. Now here, so simply you have to click on story usage and then you have to click on clear data. So first you have to do this. You can also go to settings, go to apps, app management, app list. Here find the Snapchat. So here you can also clear data from here. So now what you need to do, go to profile icon, go down. Here you can see my friend list. Now here you can see one Snapchat added to. Simply click here and just click on more and click on remove friend or block. So in this way you can fix too many friends on Snapchat.